Good morning FI BMM students. The chapter number 2 last part टूल्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग. अभी चीज़ों की या प्रोडक्ट्स की डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग कैसे कर सकते हो उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन. लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर्स. फर्स्ट वन इज़ डायरेक्ट मेल. ओके, you knows that in your email id there are so many mails are came. These kind of mails specially available for product advertising, and these types of advertisings are done by they are taken our phone numbers from different types of call centers or customer care executives, and afterwards they are sending to us a different kind of mail. Okay, their purpose to sending this kind of mails to sell their products and different kind of services. Okay, so sometimes they are directly mail on us, and they are given different types of catalog, postcard, and in all of. Okay, so this kind of mails they are providing, and in this one they are specially campaign to their products. They are developing, they are thinking, increasing thinking capacity of the consumers for their products, so they are sending too many mails for different types of products and services. Okay, next one is telemarketing. You knows that the customers cares or telephone centers are providing so many applications and informations to the particular products. In this one they are directly personally calling to us and personally given to informations about the different kind of products, especially LIC related products or other kind of products which we are directly related to purchasing. Okay, in this one they are not non face to face contact to us, only they are calling to us, they are contact on us, and we are directly watching that products. Okay, sometimes we are watching the too many televisions program, and in the on that television programs they are specially doing the different types of products advertising by given exciting opportunities. Okay, so consumers directly contact with their telephone numbers to that particular companies or particular telemarketing, and they are directly taken products their own home. This kind of shopping is home shopping. Okay, in this one they are doing the demonstrations of the products on televisions, and they are easily given the numbers, telephone numbers, which persons or consumers are directly contact to them and order that particular products. Afterwards they are providing the courier, directly delivering the products by courier or post. This kind of services is called telemarketing. Okay, next one, yellow pages. National advertisings are called yellow pages. It is specially came in magazines and newspapers. Okay, it's specially given the national coverages informations. Okay, this types of ad is doing by BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Okay, from time to time the Tata Press is published this kind of dictionary. Okay, so they are directly doing the publicity of publicity and advertising. Also they are directly doing the marketing to the only government related products. Okay, especially they are contact to the consumers and sell the products directly. Sometimes they are taken order from consumers and directly passes the products on their own home. Okay, next one, online shopping. Now the computer is part of our life, so therefore all types of shopping are doing customers by electronic medium. Okay, especially by using the computer links they are providing the products information to the consumers, and consumers are directly contact with the sellers by computer links. Okay, they are providing so many catalogs of the products, so many services offered to the products. They are providing the charges rate. Okay, they are providing all types of products related information through the computer links, and your customers are directly purchasing that products by using that computer links. Okay, next one is telemarketing, SMS. By using internet short message services means SMS, they are providing too many public related informations by using It's a very cost effective and innovative ways to provide to providing information about the particular products. Okay, so telemarketing is directly available, it's personalized, it's targeted, it's interactive, it's available by 24 hours in 7 days. Okay, so telemarketing, how they are doing. Now we are watching next point, social media marketing. Social media marketing, you knows that the Twitters, the Facebook, this kind of social media they are using for actually given the informations of particular products, and businessmen directly meet the consumers demand, and consumers are directly get information about the particular products. That is direct marketing. Okay, सो एडवांटेजेस क्या है डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग के. फर्स्ट एडवांटेजेस, कन्वीनियंस इन मार्केटिंग एज ऑर्डर टू एक्सेप्टेड पोस्ट एंड टेलीफोन्स. ओके, द कंज्यूमर्स इज डायरेक्टली कॉन्टैक्ट विद द पर्टिकुलर कंपनीज, पर्टिकुलर लिंक, particular televisions, particular advertising numbers, and it is easily given the order to the particular companies and particular products. So easily, conveniently products are reach on their home, so therefore it's a convenient of marketing. Okay, second one, in the direct marketing the middleman is not given any kind of services, so middlemen are directly eliminated. Okay, we are not accepting any kind of services by using the middleman. Okay, because no one should be advertising the particular products, so therefore it's not included the middleman. Third one, consumers is able to save his time and trouble. Okay, in direct marketing the consumers is saving their time, because by using telephone numbers, by using link, or by using direct mail, he is directly contact with the manufacturer companies or manufacturing products industries, and manufacturing industries is directly given the services to that particular consumers, so therefore their time is saving, and whatever the problems they are facing in indirect marketing, he is not facing in this kind of marketing. Okay, fourth benefit, easy availability of market information. In direct marketing there are too many brochures, there are too many catalogs available for the particular products, they are given external or internal all kind of information to that particular products, so all the market related information is directly available by the consumers, so consumers is directly using this kind of services to accepting or buying the products. Okay, next one, sellers, what kind of benefits faced by sellers. First one, he is also eliminating the middleman. Okay, next one, for sellers it's get a better response by using this kind of method to direct marketing, so therefore he is directly personal appealing for their own products. It is the second benefit. Third one, the market cost is came down, so it's beneficial for the sellers because their monies are saving. Next one, selectivity is the possible to direct marketing because there are so many products, so consumers are purchasing the special kind of products which have selectivity, so therefore selectivity is possible in direct marketing. Okay, also they are watching the consumers reply, consumers feedback, so therefore they are evaluating the consumers. Okay, what are the disadvantages of direct marketing? So direct marketing, we are purchasing the product at one time and delivery are given another time, so therefore it's taken the consumers time. Second, limited scope, because illiterate people are not doing this kind of marketing, they are not purchasing the product by using email ID or by using this kind of marketing, so therefore it's a limited scope. Okay, direct marketing is not suitable for daily use products. Okay, because daily use product or fundamental goods we are not ordering by online, so therefore direct marketing is not useful for the direct product or fundamental products. Okay, the prices are very high, so this kind of direct marketing is very expensive for the consumers. Okay, it is not possible to check the products when purchasing, so absence of pre-purchasing inspections. And last one, lack of update database. Okay, in these types of advertising or these types of marketing, the product information are not given properly, so therefore it's not possible to get actual information or proper knowledge to the particular products. Okay, so these are the advantages and disadvantages of the direct marketing. Okay, so here the chapter of number 2 of IOA is already over. Chapter number 1 is already over, so 2 chapters are already completed. Third chapter half and still half we are completed. We are watching all types of information like Twitter, Facebook and Instagram on that chapters, so the less part is remaining of the chapter number 3. Okay, so whatever the part is going on, just read it very carefully, just listen very carefully and write down all the notes in your notebook. It is very useful for you. All the notes you have to write down.